Meaning of evasiveness.
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 Evasiveness. Evasiveness refers to the act of avoiding giving a direct or clear response to a question or situation. It is a form of ambiguity that can be employed for various reasons, such as to avoid confrontation, to maintain privacy, or to deceive someone. In communication, evasiveness can hinder effective dialogue and lead to misunderstandings. It is important to recognize evasive behavior in oneself and others in order to address issues openly and honestly. Overall, evasiveness can hinder honest and transparent communication, leading to confusion and mistrust.